is Chi from Simply Chi Etsy. Thank you guys for coming to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys my 5 top tips for how to ship simpler and easier, won't hurt your hands. But wait, before we go there, please subscribe down below. That would be greatly appreciated, especially since I'm starting off new and really need your support. All right. Anyhow, if you know me from my Simply Chi Vintage Instagram account, and you know I've been shipping, or I've been selling since 2010, so I have years and years of experience. And I'm really excited to share this with you because I know a lot of you guys are also vintage and sellers yourself. And this community has always been so awesome. So I'm hoping I can make your life a lot easier. So here we go. Okay, so number 1, I should have learned this one long time ago, but I can't believe it took me all this time. I would have saved so much time. Okay, anyhow, I have been using a regular Epson printer all these years, and a few times I've had to actually throw my printers out because paper or labels would get jammed. If you use the shipping labels, the page with the 4 shipping labels, well, you know, when you print it, you pull off one of the stickers and then you have like one side that's all slippery. Well, and then you put it back down into your printer. Well, anyhow, that slippery side doesn't hold on the rollers, and so it jams the computer, and then so I'm out there like yanking that paper out of my computer or my printer. And so it just sucks horrible. And plus, a few times I have accidentally switched labels on my boxes, and so my customers would open up something totally different from what they wanted. And so this is the whole reason why I decided to invest in my Munbin label maker. It has been a lifesaver. I'm going to share a short little clip I made yesterday. But just to warn you guys, my son Liam kind of video bombed it, and my kids are doing social distance learning in the background, so it might be a little bit crazy, but but I'm never without them. So if you follow along, you're gonna always see them. Okay, so check out this video. So what I love about this is there's no more cutting, no more taping, and you won't make a mistake and switch labels because you're just doing one label at a time, and you can just put it right on the box. So all you gotta do is push print. Yeah. Push print, stick the paper in, and voila, there you go. You just take it off and put it on the box. So what I like about these is I don't have to cut and tape anymore, and I won't be making mistakes by switching labels, and they come on or go on nicely. Okay, welcome back, you guys. I hope you enjoyed that little snippet of my kiddos there. But so we are at tip 2, which is an easy one. And basically it's just make sure that you're using the right tools and shipping materials for whatever it is that you are doing, because it can really make a difference in how fast and easy you will get things done. Okay, just trying to keep this more lively, but anyhow, you really have to decide on which tool is best to use for that moment. For me, I tend to use 3 tools almost every single day. One of them is the box cutter, and my problem is that, well, I hope I've learned, but my problem is that sometimes I'm too lazy to switch out the blade when it's dull, and so I find myself, you know, sawing the damn box versus just easily gliding down and cutting the box. So something as simple as keeping sharp blades around, you know, will make the shipping process so much easier. Another thing that I use every single day is this generic Scotch tape plastic tape dispenser. I love this because it's lightweight and it's easy to maneuver. So by the time I'm done packaging at the end of the day, my wrist is not killing me. I spent money on more expensive, heavier tape dispensers before, and again, by the time I was done, my hands and wrists were just hurting. The problem with this is It's generic, so you want to make sure you have extras laying around. You should always have extras of everything laying around because, in the middle of boxing, you don't want to go searching for stuff. Little things like this will really speed up your packaging time. And then finally, I cannot live without my packaging paper holder. I bought a large industrial metal holder, and you just roll the paper out and rip it off and stuff it in the box versus the stacked papers where you're like pulling each piece apart and then crinkling it and then throw it in. Getting one of these industrial holders is gonna save you so much time. Here is a snippet of mine, and you can purchase them on Amazon for fairly cheap. So check it out. Okay, so we are at tip number 3. And this one will save you drive time as well as gas money. I live a little bit far from the nearest post office, about maybe 15 minutes, and then about a 20-minute drive from FedEx. So I've had to do a little research on where I can drop off my packages so that I don't have to waste so much time and so much gas money, especially since I'm driving a gas guzzler because of my 4 kiddos. I need a big car. So I have found a small mom and pop shop about 3 blocks down from me, and they are in partnership with USPS, UPS, and FedEx. So all I have to do is drive that 3 blocks, drop off all my packages, and they will come and pick up on a day, every day. They will come and pick up my packages and do the work for me. And that has really saved me time and made my life a lot easier. Some companies that are in partnership with other delivery companies are Walgreens, Walmart, and Bel Air. Those are the 3 that I know. Please share down below in the comments if you know of other bigger companies that are also in partnership with these delivery companies. And also check out your small mom and pop shop. That will definitely help support small businesses as well. Here's this quick little snippet of my son Liam helping me drop off my stuff.
I'll do it.
Okay, so we are at tip number 4, and this one is just get yourself a USPS account online. You experienced shippers, you already know how important this is, but to you newbies, it will save you so much time and money as well. Once you set up an account, you can have them ship off free USPS boxes to you, and whenever you're shipping out any priority mail or international packages, you can schedule a free pickup and they will come and collect all your boxes and ship them out for you. Something as simple as this is such a big help and will save you so much time. So go get yourself an account right now. Okay, so finally we are at tip number 5, which has to do with your inventory and how you organize it. So for me, when I have already listed an item on Etsy, I like to put it immediately into the garage because that's where all my listed items go. And I like to sort by categories. So all the brass goes in the brassware section, all the cups goes in the cups. You guys get the point, right? And as thrift shoppers, we tend to be hoarders. And so, I like to use shelves because when I use boxes and bins, I notice that I start stacking them up and then it just gets harder to find my products. So when I use the shelves, it's just easier to find things. One of the tricks that I do with my glassware is once I'm done cleaning them, photographing them, and listing them, I take them to the back and I flip them upside down so that when it sells and I go and pull them out, the inside isn't all dusty, so I don't have to wash the whole thing. I can just dust the outside, wrap it up, and then ship it out. These simple things like that really make the shipping process a lot easier. And learning how to organize and sort your inventory is one of the best ways to save on time, because then you don't have to go searching for things. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it made the shipping process a lot easier for you. Thank you guys so much for watching.